Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna in a can, full guide. Open the can safely with a proper opener, drain liquid or reserve for recipes, and flake tuna with a fork. Mix simple seasonings like salt, pepper, lemon, and olive oil or mayo for creaminess. Use add-ins like celery, capers, or hot sauce to customize flavor. Serve on toast, salad, or pasta for a fast, satisfying meal. Gather tools first. A reliable can opener, fork, bowl, and measuring spoon to keep things tidy. Rinse hands and workspace, and set out your seasoning so nothing slows you down. Drain tuna carefully into a strainer or press with a spoon to control moisture. Taste as you mix to balance acid, salt, and fat. Keep a spare slice of bread or lettuce for immediate sampling so you can adjust seasoning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep tuna salads fresh and prevent messes when commuting or packing lunches. They stack neatly in the fridge and are great for portioning meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a set, they make meal prep easier and cleaner. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a base recipe, then branch out to fit meals and mood quickly. Combine flaked tuna with mayo, diced celery, and lemon for a classic salad that fits sandwiches and crackers. Toss tuna with hot pasta, olive oil, garlic, and capers for a comforting dish in minutes. For an indulgent option, layer tuna and cheese on toast and broil until bubbly for an easy tuna melt everyone loves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.